your buddy DHT, and I'm back at it with another tool review, and today we're doing the Rite multi-tool. Here's the package real quick. Comes in a little kind of like sheathing belt loop deal, and it's vinyl, not vinyl, it's nylon, and has this belt loop on the back, about 3 inches, pretty big, fit most belts. Check for rattle, a little bit, not a lot. It's Velcro, which I don't like at all, but it's Velcro, and here it is. It's actually pretty big compared to my hand. I wear a size medium glove, just to give you a little idea. And you open it up, and it has spring-loaded pliers, which are needle nose, curved jaws, and wire cutters in 3 different levels. So on this side, you got your regular stainless steel blade, a ruler / file deal, a bottle opener, a can opener. That's all for that side. This side you have a serrated blade, another serrated blade, stainless. They're both stainless. Everything on here is stainless, I think. I believe this is a can opener of some kind, and Phillips head screwdriver, and that's it for this side. And that's pretty much it for the whole thing. So yeah, I think I paid $15 for this. Can't remember where, but yeah, it's black, and actually, if you shut it, has a really weird shape to it. It's plastic. So yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. Here's packaging, so put it in there like that, and Velcro, and that's it. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Thanks, guys. So